That $2 bottle of hydrogen peroxide sitting in your cabinet right now handles more frustrating summer problems than you'd ever think. Today, we're breaking down a master list of brilliant ways to use it, from rescuing stinky gear to saving your garden. And you absolutely need to stay tuned until the very end, because our final tip tackles an annoying summer plague that invades every single household the second the weather heats up. If you want to save money and protect your home this season, you can't afford to skip this. 1. Eliminating water bottle and cooler biofilm. Opening a cooler or a child's water bottle weeks after a summer trip often reveals a stomach turning odor that standard dish soap simply cannot fix. This persistent stench is caused by bacteria forming a resilient biofilm in hidden crevices that sponges cannot physically reach. Fortunately, a quick spray of budget-friendly hydrogen peroxide penetrates this layer, completely breaking down the organic buildup within 15 minutes before a final rinse. If you are finding these practical, money-saving household hacks valuable for your family, please take a quick second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our weekly tips. Because this liquid sanitizes deeply and decomposes into harmless components, it is entirely food safe for children's drinkware. 2. Deodorizing plastic outdoor trash cans. Summer heat accelerates the decomposition of garbage, causing nasty fluids to leak and soak directly into the plastic walls of your outdoor bins. Even after you remove the trash bag, a pungent, stubborn stench often lingers because scented masking sprays only camouflage the odor for a single day. Plastic surfaces look entirely smooth to the naked eye, but microscopic scratches from heavy bags and sharp trash create perfect breeding grounds for foul-smelling bacteria. Pouring liquid hydrogen peroxide directly into the bottom of an empty can allows the fizzing chemical reaction to penetrate these tiny grooves. Letting it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing and rinsing once a month keeps the summer stench completely under control. 3. Eradicating patio furniture mildew. Enjoying outdoor patio furniture is a staple of summer, but persistent rain and high humidity frequently trigger unsightly, stubborn fungal growth on cushions and frames. Wiping these surfaces down with a damp cloth accomplishes virtually nothing because it merely shears off the top layer while leaving the microscopic roots alive. Hydrogen peroxide functions as a potent, budget-friendly antifungal agent that destroys the mold spores at their source rather than just masking the dirt. For resin, plastic, or metal furniture, spray the liquid directly onto the spots, wait 10 minutes, and scrub. When treating colored cushion fabrics, always test a hidden zone first, because the oxidizing properties can cause fading under direct sunlight. 4. Sanitizing slimy pet water bowls. Pet water bowls left outdoors or in warm kitchens quickly develop a slippery, slimy coating that most pet owners mistakenly try to rinse away with water. This slime is actually a dangerous bacterial biofilm that establishes a protective matrix in standing water, threatening your furry companion's health. Cleaning the bowl effectively requires pouring a small amount of hydrogen peroxide inside, letting it sit, and scrubbing the surface to break the matrix. It is absolutely crucial to rinse the bowl thoroughly with fresh water afterward to ensure your pet does not ingest the active liquid. Once rinsed, the compound breaks down safely into pure water and oxygen, leaving a perfectly sterile bowl for your pet. 5. Restoring dingy white sneakers. White sneakers look pristine for about a week before summer adventures leave them looking like you have been walking through an active construction site. Instead of wasting money on overpriced commercial shoe cleaners, you can easily manufacture a powerful whitening paste by mixing equal parts baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply this mixture to stained canvas or fabric sections using an old toothbrush, scrub gently, and let the formula sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive to dislodge surface dirt, while the peroxide lifts deep-set stains through chemical oxidation. Remember to restrict this treatment to white footwear only, as it will bleach darker dyes. 6. Removing tough grass stains. Kids in outdoor sports guarantee that your family's laundry basket will be overflowing with stubborn grass stains throughout the sun-drenched summer months. These bright green blemishes are notoriously difficult to wash out because chlorophyll and other organic plant compounds chemically bond with the fabric fibers. Regular laundry detergents struggle to break this bond, but hydrogen peroxide acts as a targeted oxidizing agent that dismantles the plant pigments. Pour the liquid directly onto the fresh stain, add a drop of standard dish soap, rub gently, and let it rest for 15 minutes before washing. For old stains, a baking soda paste works beautifully, provided you avoid using it on dark clothing. 7. Lifting berry and juice stains. Summer fruits like watermelon, strawberries, and blueberries make delicious snacks but leave devastating, highly pigmented stains on clothing and expensive table linens. These deep fruit dyes bond instantly with fabric fibers and become significantly harder to remove the longer they are allowed to dry out. Pouring hydrogen peroxide directly onto a fresh fruit stain initiates an immediate fizzing reaction that actively oxidizes and lifts the organic pigment. After the fizzing subsides, blot the area gently and rinse the fabric thoroughly using cold water only. Avoid hot water at all costs, as heat permanently sets fruit, sugars, and pigments into the material, making removal impossible. 8. Sanitizing kids' outdoor playsets. By the middle of summer, backyard plastic slides, swings, and climbing sets frequently develop a slippery, greenish layer of algae and mildew. Most parents either ignore this grime or attack it with harsh chemical bleaches, forgetting that children put their unwashed hands directly into their mouths. Hydrogen peroxide offers an incredibly safe, non-toxic alternative that destroys the biological film without leaving dangerous chemical residues on play surfaces. Simply spray the solution generously over the affected plastic zones, let it react for a few minutes, scrub thoroughly, and rinse with water. Allow the playset to dry completely in the sun before letting children climb back on it. 9. Cleaning sweat stains from hats. Favorite summer baseball caps quickly accumulate unsightly white salty rings and yellowish sweat stains around the brim from hot days spent outdoors. Because sweat stains are inherently protein-based, traditional laundry detergents often fail to dissolve the organic bonds, leaving the headwear looking dirty and weathered. Combining a small amount of hydrogen peroxide with mild dish soap creates a specialized cleaning solution that targets and liquefies these stubborn proteins. Apply the mixture directly to the stained brim, let it sit for 30 minutes, and rinse gently with cool water. This method works perfectly for cotton and canvas caps, but avoid soaking wool structured hats with cardboard brims. 10. Eliminating houseplant fungus gnats. If you notice tiny, annoying flies hovering around your indoor potted plants during summer, you are dealing with an infestation of fungus gnats. While the adult flies are a nuisance, the real damage happens beneath the soil where the larvae aggressively feed on your plant's roots. To collapse the population, mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 4 parts water and use it to water your infested plants. The solution fizzes violently upon hitting the soil, instantly killing the hidden larvae and delicate gnat eggs on contact without harming the flora. Repeat this treatment once a week for 3 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. 11. Deodorizing the garbage disposal. The sweltering summer heat causes kitchen garbage disposals to emit foul odors much faster as trapped food particles rot inside the dark plumbing. The primary source of this stench is usually the underside of the black rubber splash guard, a hidden zone where traditional brushes cannot reach. To sanitize this area, pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed immediately by a full cup of hydrogen peroxide. The resulting chemical foam expands rapidly, forcing its way into the tightest grooves to dissolve the decaying organic matter causing the odor. Flush the drain with cold water after 15 minutes to reveal a fresh, clean kitchen pipes. 12. Cleaning pool floats and toys. Plastic pool floats and inflatable toys frequently develop a distinct, musty odor because they are often tossed into dark garages while still damp. The chlorine-depleted pool water, combined with trapped moisture and summer garage heat, creates an ideal incubator for rapidly multiplying bacteria and algae. To fix this, mix hydrogen peroxide and water inside a spray bottle and coat the deflated plastic surfaces before wiping them down. For smaller diving toys or goggles, soaking them briefly in a diluted peroxide bath removes the invisible slime layer completely. Ensuring everything dries thoroughly in the direct sun prevents the mildew from returning during your next swimming weekend. 13. Washing puddle jumpers and water shoes. Children's puddle jumpers and water shoes are heavily used during the summer, but are frequently neglected when it comes to proper cleaning. Puddle jumpers contain thick interior foam that traps moisture away from the sun's rays, allowing hidden mold to colonize the interior straps. Water shoes experience an even worse fate, developing a horrific smell from sweat, lake water, and continuous damp warmth against the skin. Spraying the fabric and interior linings with a diluted peroxide solution breaks down the deeply embedded bacteria, causing the odor. Regular rinsing and sun drying after every few uses will save you from throwing these expensive items away. 14. Neutralizing skunk odor on pets. Summer is prime time for curious dogs to investigate wildlife, frequently resulting in a devastating, blinding spray from a defensive neighborhood skunk. Traditional remedies like bathing your pet in tomato juice only mask the foul oils, leaving your house smelling terrible for several weeks. Professional groomers rely on a chemical formula consisting of 1 quart of 3% hydrogen peroxide, 1 cup baking soda, and a teaspoon dish soap. Mix these ingredients into a thick paste and apply it directly to your dog's dry fur, avoiding the eyes entirely. The peroxide chemically oxidizes the pungent sulfur compounds within the skunk spray, completely neutralizing the odor instantly. 15. Curing plant powdery mildew. Powdery mildew presents itself as a distinctive, chalky, white dust covering vegetable and flower leaves when summer heat and humidity peak simultaneously. If ignored, this aggressive fungal infection spreads across your garden, choking out sunlight and ultimately killing your prized backyard plants. A budget-friendly solution involves mixing 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide into a quart of clean water and spraying the leaves early in the morning. The solution destroys the fungal spores through oxidation on contact without leaving any toxic chemical residues on your edible backyard vegetables. Avoid spraying during peak afternoon hours to prevent the wet leaves from suffering sunburn. 16. Eradicating fruit fly breeding grounds. Fruit flies are an incredibly frustrating summer plague, arriving unnoticed on fresh grocery produce and multiplying exponentially inside your warm kitchen within days. While classic apple cider vinegar traps are effective at catching flying adults, they fail entirely because they do not address the breeding site. Fruit flies lay hundreds of eggs inside the gelatinous organic slime, coating the interior walls of your kitchen sink plumbing. Pouring baking soda followed by hydrogen peroxide down the drain creates an expanding foam that strips away this breeding matrix. Combining this drain treatment with vinegar traps completely breaks the reproductive cycle, permanently eliminating the infestation.